my YouTube channel. Today's video is a Glossybox limited edition summer essentials kit. Now that is a bit of a mouthful. Trying to remember that is hard. So if you want to see what I got in my summer essentials kit, then please keep watching. Mind you, there is a lot of products in this video. So if you've not subscribed to Glossybox yet and you don't know what I'm talking about, then this is the limited edition summer essentials kit. So as you have noticed, it is in a gorgeous, beautiful baby pink bag and not in a box. There is so many products jammed in this bag. I'm going to whiz through this video pretty quick because I do not want this to be a very long one. But they still give you this little card leaflet sort of thing, just to show it, just so you can see what kind of products are inside this bag. It's absolutely stunning and beautiful. I could not wait to show you guys so I can use the products myself. There is one product in here that I'm absolutely in love with and I couldn't wait to start using it. So, as there is so many products, I'm going to start with this video. So this is the beautiful bag it comes in. It's in a baby pink bag and I absolutely love it. It's going to be very, very useful and handy around the house, plus going on holiday and everything else. So if I open the bag and kind of show you without tipping everything out, but look, it is jam-packed with products. So first things first is this. This is the Invisa Dry Shampoo. So every girl loves dry shampoo. It's their best friend, especially if you've kind of had 2-day hair and you've got somewhere to be and you're thinking, oh my god, I need to wash my hair. Dry shampoo is the best. I love it. I really, really do. Especially if I've filmed and I've got edit videos and then I've realised what the time is and I've got to go work and I'm like, oh my god, I should have washed my hair. This comes in very handy. So next product is this. So this is the Palmer's Coconut Oil Lip Balm. Now if any of you girls or guys out there that love Palmer's and love the smell of coconut, then this is for you. I love the smell of coconut. It makes you smell like you're on holiday. And I love Palmer's anyway, so this is a really, 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 really nice product and I cannot wait to use this. I've been so itching to use this while we've had all the nice hot weather, and now it's a bit, I don't know, kind of gloomy. I'm filming this and now I can actually use it. Next product is a Nails Inc London nail polish in this gorgeous kind of greeny turquoisey colour, and I've actually got these on my toes and it looks really, really nice, and it is shade Cheeky Bird and I love it so much. It is so nice colour. Product is this. So this is a Bare Minerals Vital Power Infusion serum, I think it is. I think it's a serum. I'm not too sure. Let me have a look on here for you guys because I don't want to give you the wrong information if it's not. Now where are you? There's just so many products in this bag, you just don't know where things are. Yeah, it's a serum, Bare Minerals Power Serum. Also I was right in the first place. I haven't opened this yet, so let's get it out of this beautiful little packaging and show you guys what it looks like. Oh, I've got one of these. I've got two of these now. I had my first one from the Bare Minerals box that they've done. It's a lovely little serum bottle and I cannot wait to use it. I don't think I've actually used the other one yet, but I can't wait to give that a go. Next is this. This is the Lano Face Base Leave On Recovery Mask. So I am so glad. I hope it's a proper mask. Let me find out for you guys, but yeah, it's a recovery mask. It's a glow face mask sort of thing, so I cannot wait to give that a go. The day I'm recording this is actually a Sunday, so Sundays I like to obviously film, clean the house and then relax and put on a nice face mask, so this is going to come in very, very handy. Next, I've got a MUA Super Stylo Satin Finish Lipstick. And what shade is this? It's in the shade Major. It's absolutely stunning, lovely colour, and I love MUA products as well. So thank you so much to Glossybox for that. Almost there, guys, almost there. So next product is this. So this is the Dr. Dennis Gross Ultra Gentle Daily Pill. So I don't think I've ever used these before. They come in like little sachet things. So you've got step 1 and step 2. Step 1 is exfoliating and smooth, and step 2 is anti-aging moisturiser. So they come in little sachets, but they've got 3 sachets in there, and you've got step 1 and step 2, which I'm so excited to use and give that a go. I've never heard of this before, so it'll be very interesting to see what that does. Next product I was actually quite excited for because I love these so much. These are the Tangle Teasers, and I love the print on this as well. I'll get it out of the box for you guys so you can see the print a little bit more better. So this is the Tangle Teaser, and that's what the print looks like. It's so beautiful. It looks so tropical, a nice summer holiday essential, and it comes with this back part. Oh my god! Oh my god, I've never had a Tangle Teaser that's got one of these before. So this is actually like the back bit of the Tangle Teaser. So you've got the actual Tangle Teaser here. Then once you are done with it, you just place the back on, and it just sits like that. It looks so good, and I'm so excited to use this. I love Tangle Teasers. I think I've got about 2 or 3 already. But yeah, I love Tangle Teasers, and I love the print as well. It's so nice and tropical. I love it. Then next product is this little guy here. So this is the Ultra Repair Barrier Air Cream. So I've never even heard of this brand before. So let me try and figure out what it does. It is so hard to try and figure out. Oh, it's a First Aid Beauty Bare Ultra Repair Cream. So it's like a first aid cream basically. So, oh my god, I've never, yeah, it smells like antiseptic sort of smell. I don't know if that made any sense, but it probably didn't. But do you know when you've like scratched your knee or grazed your knee or something like that, and you need some kind of antiseptic cream on that? So this would be very, very handy in our household because Nathan is always in the wars. Next, I've got 3 more products to show you guys. So next is this beautiful aloe vera soothing gel. I love aloe vera, especially when you've caught the sun and you've got no sun lotion or after sun lotion, and you need something that's kind of like after sun. Aloe vera is the best. I absolutely love this stuff. It's so nice. It smells incredible as well. We have Malibu after sun, plus we have an aloe vera spray, and now we have this. So we are definitely topped up of aloe vera stuff and after sun stuff, just in case we get any more nice weather, which I cannot wait for. So yeah, this will come in handy so much, and look how cute it is as well. It looks like it's in a shape of a aloe vera as well, so it looks so cute and I love it. Last 2 bits are, this is a face mask. This is the OK face mask or sheet mask. I love the OK sheet masks. They are absolutely incredible. I love them so much. I am gonna go on, I have actually typed in on Amazon and eBay for more of them as well. But when I do buy some more, if you guys are interested, I will probably do like an Amazon face mask or sheet mask haul or something like that. If you guys are interested, then I will show you guys. But you can get sheet masks anywhere. You can get them in Primark, Savers, Superdrug, Tesco's, online. You can get them absolutely anywhere. But I love these ones so much. They're so nice. They make your skin nice and smooth as well. They make it nice and moisturised, and it just leaves your skin looking perfect as well. So last thing, I've left this till last because it is the most favourite thing that I have got well, in this little product bag sort of thing. I have actually got one of these before, but it's a different one. So this is the Hawaiian Tropic Aloha Coconut Fragrance Mist Shimmer Edition. So I have actually got a Hawaiian spray, well, I've got one, because I've never actually tried them before. I keep seeing them all in Superdrug and Savers and everything, and I'm like, shall I or shall I not? And I'm like, no, better not, just because I don't like them. But I thought, you know what, I want to give it a go. This is the time that I want to explore new different kind of smells and stuff as well. So I thought, you know what, I'll buy one on Amazon, see what they're like. If they are, then I'm going to get every single scent. So I bought one and I'm actually in love with it. I literally am. If I can have every single one, that'd be perfect. And then I received this one from Glossybox. I'll bring it closer so you guys can see. If you guys love the smell of coconut and love a good shimmer, then this is the product you guys need. It is incredible. It's in this scent, creamy coconut and tropical berry. It smells insane and I love it so much. I love the Hawaiian Tropic sprays now. I'm absolutely obsessed with them. So if you are obsessed, well not obsessed, but love the smell of coconut, like going on a holidays kind of smell, and you love like the little glowing shimmering kind of thing as well, then this is the product for you as well. And it's also very, very nice for parties because you can spray it all over you and you can have loads and loads of glitter all over. So yeah, I cannot wait to even spray this even more because I love it. It's very, very glittery, very, very glittery, so you have to be careful of where you spray it, because if you just spray it like that, you're just going to get caked all in glitter. So you have to be very, very careful where you're spraying this and how much, because it is very, very glittery. But yeah, that is everything from this box. That is everything from this bag. So I'm going to keep this bag because it's going to come in very, very handy. As that has been my Glossybox limited edition Summer Essentials Kit video. If you want to know anything about Glossybox, then I will leave everything you need to know in the description box below for you. Everything you need to know about their page, their subscription page. I think these are still on for sale. I'm not too sure. If they are, then I will leave it in the description box below for you guys. I will leave my referral code as well so you can get money off your first box. Glossybox is a subscription that comes every month. They are a beauty product brand and they are amazing. They are so lovely. Their products are absolutely incredible as well. I cannot fault them enough. And yeah, they are just so perfect. So everything you need to know about Glossybox will be in the description box below for you guys. If you have loved this video or liked this video, give it a great big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to turn your notification bell on as well so you are notified every time I upload. There is so many contents coming up your way, guys, so please stay tuned. I have actually seen so many people subscribing to my channel lately. I had 20, I think the last time I checked, 20 subscribers. So thank you so much to the people that subscribed and welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, I upload 3 times a week, Wednesdays and Thursdays, Wednesdays and Friday, 7 PM and Sunday, 6 PM. And yeah, I love you guys so much and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.